Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a Christmas decorate with me. I just actually got back from picking up a few decorations. I already have a lot of decorations, but like more never hurt. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Please excuse my cats. They are really excited that I'm home, so they're being bad. Chewing on the garland. Joseph. Stop it. Stop. I got garland from Target. Then also at Target at the dollar spot or whatever it's called, I got this little like farmhouse. These were only like $3. Another little guy. And I got these little guys. I think this was only $3, I want to say. And then I went to Michael's and I got this basically snow in a can. Honestly, the entire time I was looking for this, I kept thinking about that scene in Friends, if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, and then I got this tray. This was only $5. I might paint it myself, but I don't even know if I'm gonna use this for Christmas. I just wanted it for me. Okay, and then I went to Dollar Tree a couple weeks ago and I got these little Santa guys for the chair, my dining room chairs. Then they had this gorgeous Merry Christmas sign, also $1. It's shedding glitter like crazy. And then they had these snowflakes, which I thought I'd either hang on the wall or hang on the ceiling. And then I've had these stockings up all year round because they're cute and I have issues. Seriously? Really? Go. That's why we can't have nice things. Hey, you too, ma'am. I will be back to update you guys when we start decorating. Okay, I'm in my comfy clothes. I got sleeping kitties back here. About to start blasting some Christmas music though, so they're about to get up. Okay, let's roll the footage. How does somebody accumulate this many decorations? Can you tell me, Caleb? Can you tell me? First order of business, put up the tree.
Oh, white Christmas.
I'm clearly fine. My little 6-foot tree. I don't know what you're thinking of doing, Joey, but don't do it. I don't know what you're doing. Oh yeah, suck up to me, sure. Little 6-foot tree. There's some sparse areas, but some of the branches are kind of broken. So yeah, I tried to fluff it out to the best of my ability. Jeez. I bought snow in a can, as you saw earlier. I want to try to flock my own tree. Only because I know if I do mess it up, I'm getting a new one in like next year anyways. So we're gonna try this out in a plastic bag first. Wrong way. All right, let's try this. Of course it went right to the plug. surprisingly worked very well. I like it. I almost used the whole can, which sucks because I wanted to flock some garland I bought at Target, but that's okay. So this is how it turned out. I didn't want it to be really white. I just wanted some whiteness. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I need to let the flock dry, or the sprayed on snow dry, because I can't put ornaments on it till it does. I didn't expect it to take so long, so I'm actually gonna wrap up the tree tomorrow. So here is the tree still drying. So I put the ornaments that need to go on it right there. And then you pan around to my living room, and I've got that garland up, and also around this little doorway I added this little guy, this little faith sign. I keep these up all year round, and then excuse my mess. That's stuff that needs to go upstairs. And then the little Santa hat things. And I got these little guys. And then my little Christmas tree. This little guy is my nostalgia / animal tree. When I was a kid, I'm not really sure how I accumulated all of these, but I've gotten them over the years, and they're mostly animals. And it's cool because some of them will say my name and like 1995 on the back, which I was like a year old. So this is that little guy. But yeah, that is pretty much it. If you guys are wondering why I haven't given you a room tour or like a apartment tour yet, it's because we're still not done down here and it's still a work in progress, but it's coming together, and I plan on doing one. Honestly, I do. But I just want to give you my little Christmas tour. I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, loves.